Have you been excited about this?
I've been like a cat on a hot tin roof.
They were married 73 years. She said, you know, if he went somewhere, she was going with him. She would just have to rely on him a lot, and he relied on her a lot. For them, it was just always each other.
She says, Mom says, I've got you in a contest and you're in the running. I says, what?
What a great day. We are completed. The project went successful. Mrs. Bond is very happy.
Mark came over the first day. He was so nice and brought me a big bouquet of flowers that smelled like heaven. And I thought, well, I must be in heaven.
They've gone above and beyond any kind of expectations that we really had.
The guys coming out and explaining everything to you and your mother, they've been professional, they've been friendly, they've been neighborly.
They have worked so hard, and every time they hit a snag, they fix it.
Man, our guys did a great job. The teamwork was fantastic.
I feel so proud of what we're doing here today. It's something that makes me realize there's a lot of good people in this world, and there's a lot of positivity still around.
My friend Don called me up and said that they were doing some good deeds today and wanted to know if I wanted to be a part of it, and I said yeah.
I just appreciate everything everybody has done. HVAC and Lennox, rib liquors, and it just makes me feel good to know there's people out there doing that.
It always happens to someone else. Now it's happened to us.